Today we're going to be looking at adding and subtracting rational expressions with different denominators. Our first example is 7n divided by 5 plus 5n divided by 15. The LCD is 15, so we change 7n divided by 5 to 21n divided by 15, and we add 5n divided by 15 for our answer of 26n divided by 15. Our second example is 3 divided by 4y squared plus 1 over 12y. The LCD is 12y squared, so when we change 3 divided by 4y squared to a denominator of 12y squared, we multiply each, the numerator and the denominator, by 3, and we get 9 divided by 12y squared. And since we're changing 1 over 12y to a 12y squared denominator, we have to take y times 1. Now that we have them both over 12y squared, we simply add the numerator, which is 9 plus y, over our 12y squared. Continuing to add, we have 3 divided by 2x plus 7 divided by 4x plus 5. The LCD is 2x times the quantity 4x plus 5. So putting 3 divided by 2x over 4x plus 5, we have 3 times the quantity 4x plus 5 in the numerator. Doing the same thing to the other term, we have 7 over 4x plus 5 originally, and we have to put 2x in the denominator, so we put 2x in the numerator. Continuing to simplify, we have 3 times the quantity 4x plus 5 from here, plus from here are 7 times 2x. When we take and distribute that 3 to the 4x, we get 12x, and 3 times 5 is 15, and 7 times 2x is 14x. Continuing to simplify, we have 12x plus 14x for a total of 26x. And we still have 15, so it's plus 15 over 2x times the quantity 4x plus 5. Now we're going to subtract. We have 10x divided by 4 minus 3x divided by 16. Getting those terms over the same denominator is 16 because that's the LCD. So since we have to take 4 times 10x, we get 40x, and 4 times 4 gives us our 16. We already have minus 3x over 16, so we just take 40x minus 3x for a total of 37x over 16. Our second example on this page is 8 divided by 3s squared minus 2 divided by 18s. Our LCD is 18s squared, so when we change our 8 divided by 3s squared to a denominator of 18s squared, we have to multiply each term by 6. So 6 times 8 is 48, and 6 times 3s squared is 18s squared. We have minus 2s over 18s squared because we had to take it times s because there was only s here in the denominator. In order to change it to 18s squared, again, we had to take s and s to make it equal to 2 divided by 18s. Now that we have the common denominator, we go 14 minus 2s on the numerator divided by 18s squared. We can factor out a 2 out of that 48, and we get 24, and 2 out of 2s, and we get a negative s. And then we finally cancel that 2 into the 18, and we're left with 24 minus s over 9s squared. Continuing to subtract, we're left with the problem 2 divided by y plus 3 minus 5 divided by y squared minus 9. The LCD is y plus 3 times y minus 3, because if we FOIL that, we get our y squared minus 9. So taking the first term, 2 over y plus 3, and we're adding a y minus 3 in the denominator, so we have to do the same thing to the numerator. minus 5, which we get that over here, and we simply wrote y squared minus 9 as y plus 3 times y minus 3. Now that they are over the same denominator, we distribute our 2y, and then we distribute our negative 6, so we have 2y minus 6 minus 5. We know minus 6 minus 5 is a negative 11, and we still have our 2y. So our answer is 2y minus 11 over the common denominator of y plus 3 times y minus 3.